Oh, yeah, you can change your... What are they called?
Oh, you can change your club? Bless you.
I'm sorry, I sneezed on
Ooh.
you. Not on you, on them. Sorry.
I think
I sneezed right into the microphone because it's taped to my face.
that should be fine.
I have dad sneeze.
A what?
A dad sneeze.
What does that mean? Wait, a
I have
dad
a loud
sneeze?
sneeze.
That wasn't loud!
It was loud!
That was a girl sneeze!
It was so loud.
That was grandma sneeze.
Grandma sneeze! But you have the cutest sneeze.
I don't.
You do! You go like, achoo.
No, I don't.
You do?
Mine is quiet.
It's so quiet. Sometimes I can't even hear it. You're
Well,
just like,
it's because I'm holding back. I'm like, it's just Discord not picking it up.
no, I've heard you sneeze in person.
When did I sneeze?
Like yesterday.
When did I do that?
I heard.
You heard! You were listening to me?
Yes. I heard your sneeze and it was cute.
You could hear me. It must have been loud.
It wasn't. It was
So
quiet.
you can switch. You can switch.